Welcome to this tutorial on how to verify your account on Wise. Verifying your account is an essential step to start using Wise for your international money transfers. In this guide, we will walk you through the verification process step by step. First, you need to log into your Wise account. If you have not created an account yet, you can sign up for one on the Wise website. Once you are logged in, click on the verification link on your dashboard. This will take you to the verification page where you can start the process. To verify your account, you will need to provide some personal and identification documents. The required documents may vary depending on your country of residence, but typically, you will need to provide a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Next, you will need to upload the required documents to the Wise website. Make sure the documents are clear and legible, and that they meet the requirements specified by Wise. You can upload the documents directly from your computer or take a photo of them using your mobile device. After uploading the documents, Wise will review them to verify your identity and address. This process usually takes a few minutes, but it may take longer in some cases. You can track the status of your verification on your Wise dashboard. Once your account is verified, you will receive an email notification from Wise. You can then start using your account to send and receive international money transfers. Verifying your account also helps to keep your transactions secure and compliant with regulatory requirements. In conclusion, verifying your account on Wise is a straightforward process that requires you to provide some personal and identification documents. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily verify your account and start using Wise for your international money transfers. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and secure to avoid any issues with your transactions.